Project budgeting. Many people use the concepts project budgets and project cost estimates interchangeably. But these two are different. The project budget is created from the schedule and cost estimates. That is why the project manager works on the cost estimate first and then moves on to preparing the budget. The project budget determines the total amount of money required to complete the project. The project budget can only be developed once the project cost estimates are completed. Project cost estimates are added up in an organized manner to prepare a project budget. The budget represents an overview of the project's total cost from a periodic and total perspective. Total budgeted cost. Total budgeted cost will be derived from adding all cost estimates for each of the tasks identified within a project. The project manager can use an appropriate template for calculating the total budgeted cost for completing the entire project. A spreadsheet or software may be used to support the calculation and preparation of the total budgeted cost. Periodic budget or time-phased budget. Total budgeted costs for the entire project can be split into different timeframes. This process will generate a periodic budget. Periodic budget is also known as time-phased budget. The project manager can map the cost estimates on the project schedule to develop a time-phased budget. They are called time-phased budgets because they are budgets that are linked to a specific time period. Contingency fund. No matter how accurate the time-phased budgets are, they are still estimates. Inadequate information and unforeseen circumstances can impact the cost estimates, and project cost may overrun. In real life, some projects will not have the extra funds to support their cost overrun, while other projects will have extra funds. This extra fund is known as a contingency fund or budget. In case the project cost overruns, the contingency fund will be used to support the progress of the project. A contingency fund is a reserve of funds allocated to a project in case of unexpected costs. This is a safety net that allows the project to stay on track despite any cost fluctuations. There are no strict guidelines on the amount to be allocated as the contingency fund. The amount may depend on the project sponsor or financial circumstances of the client organization. The project sponsor may consider the level of project risk and also the volatility of external factors, such as inflation, demand, and supply. Based on the risk level, contingency fund amounts may be approved. For example, a low-risk project with a reasonable level of accurate cost information may have a contingency budget of 5%. On the other hand, a high-risk project with a great deal of uncertainty could have a contingency budget of 10 to 15%.